Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. This is Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and today we're gonna make baked ziti. Now let's get into this recipe because it's about to go down. All ingredients and measurements are available at the full recipe link in the description box. You want to start out by dicing an onion. I used a large onion, so I only use half of it. If you're using a small onion, you can use the whole thing. Then you want to dice up a green bell pepper. Then chop 3 cloves of garlic, 1 pound of ground Italian sausage, and 1 pound of ground beef. I added them to a large deep pot that is already heated on medium-high. Now let's add our seasoning. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of adobo and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Add your chopped onion, your green bell pepper. Now you're going to take your spoon and break the meat up into smaller pieces. You also want to mix it so that all the seasoning is fully throughout the meat. This process is just going to take a little bit. You want to make sure you're not leaving any big chunks of meat. Everything should be broken up. You're going to cook that until the meat is brown. Add in your chopped garlic and then 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Give that a good stir and let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes and then 3 jars of spaghetti sauce. Go ahead and preheat your oven now to 375 degrees. Give that a good stir, and now an optional step is add about 4 to 6 ounces of fresh spinach to the sauce. You're gonna give that a good mix. Now I know what you're thinking, spinach and baked ziti, but it's so bomb, y'all. You're gonna let the sauce cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. When I tell y'all this sauce is everything, you're gonna love it. Prepare your ziti noodles according to whatever the box says. I cook them al dente. You don't want to overcook your noodles. Soggy noodles are nasty. I usually drop a little olive oil in my water before I add the pasta. Drain your noodles, and then I also drizzle a little olive oil again over the noodles to stop them from sticking. And now we're ready to put all of this together. In a large deep pot, you want to go ahead and add 1 layer of your noodles. Add a layer of your sauce. I'm using 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. You're gonna put like 6 dollops in a layer. Sprinkle 3 to 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese. About 12 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to add another layer of our noodles. Top it with the remaining sauce, the remaining Parmesan cheese, and your remaining mozzarella cheese. You're gonna bake this masterpiece for 30 minutes on 375 degrees, and voila! Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna sprinkle it with some fresh parsley. And there we have it, top tier Glam Kitchen Baked Ziti. It's cheesy, it's delicious, and y'all, it feeds a large crowd. Honestly, this is a perfect company's coming over dish, or if you just want to make a big meal so that you don't have to cook the next night. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments. Make sure you follow the Glam Kitchen on Instagram and check out the full recipe at the link in the description box. Until next time, bye-bye.